How to unlock iPhone to use accessories. So if you want to unlock your iPhone to use accessories, then what you need to do is first, like generally, if you're seeing this issue, it's most likely something to do with your charging port. If it's wet, you need to make sure that it's completely dried out. Usually, if it's wet, you can just take a microfiber cloth or anything, just make sure it's dried out, wait for half an hour or a couple of hours, depending on how wet it got, or just simply take something that's non-metal and remove any dust or lint. If you have compressed air can, that also works great to cleaning that out. Next solution is you need to check if there's faulty cable, because if there's the issue with the cable itself, the phone's not going to recognize it and it's going to give you that error message. So that's going to be the important as well as the main thing to check out. Or you can also use a wireless charger as well. Most iPhones will let you charge wirelessly as well on the back plate. Next thing you need to do is open up your settings. And then you want to go with your Face ID and password, enter your phone's password, and then what you're going to do is just scroll down and then you need to look for the accessories option. Once you find the accessories, you need to just simply go and turn it off. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device. After restarting, you can go back and check your issue. If not, you can open up your settings and from there you need to scroll down, go with general and then go with software update. And if you have any software updates on your device, you need to just simply go and update them. After updating, scroll down a bit and then go with transfer, reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings and after resetting your settings, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.